All right. Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Program, Jatadhara Educational Technology Program. And this is the coaching classes conducted for NMMS test 2024-2025. All right. I'm sure all of you are doing great. And today's topic is about mental ability. And in mental ability, we are going to see the letter series and coding. Fine. So we have already done many problems related to this coding. So today also we are going to do that. But the sums are, it is of all varieties. Easy, little difficult and moderate. All right. Yes. So now let's get into the sum. Fine. So very easy sum is the first one. Find the next term. Right. Your first question is find the next term. So we have FG, IJ, LM, right? So being the first question, we'll always do for you. And before attending such questions, what we need to do is we need to jot down the alphabets A to Z, right? And that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till Z you should write down. And simultaneously in the next line, or after leaving some space in your rough work column, you have to write the alphabets, the reverse order. That is Z, Y, X, W, B, U, T, S, R, Q, P, N, M, L, K, J, J, P, D, C, B, A. So the reverse order you should write so that you can find out very easily the next term. All right. Now see the answer for this F, G, I, J, L, M. Now write the alphabet and then check. See, we have written the alphabets for you A to Z. Right, and see where FG comes, right, and see the next term IJ. So after FG, one letter is left, isn't it? Right, and after that we have LJ, and see after that one letter is left, and then we have LM. So what should be the next one? You have to leave one letter, and then you should write the next one, right? Yes, so your next one after leaving one letter, that is N, is OP. So your answer is OP. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood this pattern. With this, let's move on to the next question. We have BD, FH, JL. This is also very easy. And let's write down the alphabets. So 1 minute time, I'm just giving you to very quickly find out and do it. Meanwhile, let me explain. See where B, D is. After B, there is one letter left, right? And then we are having, after D, one letter we are leaving. Next, we are writing F. After F, one letter we are leaving. We are writing H. After H, we are leaving one letter and then we are writing J. And after that, one letter we are leaving and then we are writing L. So what should be the next? As simple as that. After L, we have to leave one letter M. So we have to write N. Leave one letter O, then you write P. Right? So your 1 minute is already done. I'm sure you would have understood the answer. See here how beautifully this has been explained, isn't it? So what should be our answer? After L, M is left. So you should write N. After N, leave O, write P. So NP should be our answer. All right, students. So if you have written NP as your answer, then your answer is perfect. With this, let's move on to the next question. And this question is mediocre. That is average. Not very easy, not very difficult. It's average. Right. See the question. We have DE, GH, KL, PQ. Right. So now write the alphabet. See where these letters are coming. So we have D, right? Just a second. Let me use a pen. Right. So here we have DE. After that, you have GH. After that, you have KL. After that, you have PQ. Right, students? So see, if you see, after D, one letter is left. After GH, two letters left. So after KL, three letters left. So after PQ, four letters you should leave. Isn't it? So that you can arrive at VW. Right? Yes. So let's see the answer. Your 1 minute is already over, students. So I'm sure you would have got the answer and how this is and how this should be done. Right? Let's see the answer. So VW is our required answer. Fine. Yes. With this, let's move on to the next question. Now, this is a little difficult. It's not, nothing is difficult actually. The way we take up things is difficult, but this concept is not easy. That's what we are calling it as difficult, right? So the maximum difficulty would be like this kind of sums. Okay, so when such coding sums comes, what is the first step that we need to do? We need to jot down the alphabets, right? So write the alphabets A to Z, and where B comes, see here. So we are getting B here. After that, you're getting D. After that, you're getting HIJ. So it is increasing. See, 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter. So the next letter must be 4. Am I right? So we are leaving 1, next to 2, next to 3. So next should be 4. NOPQ. All right. I'm sure you would have understood how this is being framed. Let's see the answer. See here B, D, HIJ. So next should be NOPQ. So that is the answer. All right, students. So with this, let's move on to the next question. We have Y, VU, RQP, MLKJ. So by seeing this itself, it's easy that there is some technicality in this, which means that you have to use the alphabets both forward and backward. All right. Now let's use the alphabets forward and backward. See here. First, I have written the alphabets backward. Is it Y, X, W, V, U, and all that? Okay. Right. So see here, you have Y. After that, you have VU. After that, you have RQP. After that, you have MLKJ. Am I right? Yes. Now, what should be the next term? And one more thing you should understand. The first was 1. We used 2, 3, 4. So the next one must be 5. Isn't it? All right. So now after Y, you be left 2. After VU, you be left 2. After P, we left 2. After this, we left 2. So the next must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be GFEDC. GFEDC. Fine. Right? So I'm sure you would have understood. Let's see the answer. Let's see the explanation. Y, VU, RQP, MLKJ. So the next must be GFEDC. That is the answer. All right, students, see the next question. This also comes under the difficult area, right? So now see the first one. We have Z, Y, X till A we have written. And where does this X comes? After X, C is coming, isn't it? So what we will do, we'll just jot down the first letter alone. Let me use my pen. Just give me a second. Yeah. We are using the first letter. Is it U, R, O? Right. See here. Is it U, R, O? Right. So now, what is the spacing between X and U? So 2 letters are left. Likewise, after U, 2 letters are left. Likewise, after R, 2 letters are left. After O, 2 letters must be left, isn't it? Just a second, my pen. Yeah. So let's leave 2 letters. So your next letter must be L. That is why L is coming. And see the second one. Let me use a different color. Yeah. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay. I'm sorry, the second letter, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, F, G. So this is forward. So what you have to do? You have to use the forward. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Let's stop till this. Let's see. So we are having C, we are having E, we are having G, we are having I. So after one letter, you have to choose. So the next letter must be K. That is why K. So in this concept, there are two letters. One letter, the first letter is backward thinking. The second letter is forward thinking. Fine? Yes. So I'm sure you would have understood this. With this, we are moving on to the next one. ABLE is written as DEOH. DOPE is written as what? Okay. So check how able is written as DEOH. Fine, students. So A is written as D. A is written as D. B is written as E. L is written as E. A, B, L. L is written as O. E is written as H. Right? So L is written as O. A is written as D. B is written as E. Right. So now you can easily find out what to write for D. Right? So what do we write for D, O, P, E? Yes. So let's see, check how to write DOPE. So let's make this alphabets again, A to Z. So A is written as D, as I told you. So therefore, D should be written after leaving two letters as G. So you will write G. O should be written as, okay, B is written as E, right? So O should be written after leaving two letters, which is R. Next, C, L. L is written as O. So P should be written as S. Right? Next, E is written as H. Therefore, again E must be written as H. So your answer must be GRSH. All right? Fine. Now let's move on to the next question. Time is written as SJLF. KONG is written as what? Now let's write the alphabets. Right? Just a second. Yeah. So T is written as S. I is written as J. M is written as L. Backward. This is forward, this is backward, this is also backward. Next, E is written as F. Fine. So now how do we write KONG? Right? So T is written as S, backward. So K should be written also as backward, that is J. Let's check. Let's try this method. I is written as J, forward. So O should be written forward, P. Next we have M. M is written backward as L. So we will write N as M is written backward. Therefore, let's write N also as backward as M. E is written forward as F. So G should also be written forward as H. Right? So let's see how the answer turns out. Right? So how time is written? Same thing we are writing KONG. Right? Right. So it should be JPMH. Perfect. So how we have identified time? The same way we have identified KONG also. Right? So let's see the next one. KING is written as JG. KC, how DUKE is written. So let's see how K is written. K is written as J backward, right? I is written as G after leaving one word backward. N is written as K after leaving two. G is written as C after leaving three. All right. Now, how do we write DUKE? Let's follow the same tactic, students. K is written backward as J. So D should be written backward as C. Next, we have U. Next, we have I. So how I is written as G after leaving one. We are going backward after leaving one. Similarly, we will take U after leaving one to the backward as S. Next, we have N. N is written as K backward after leaving two. So we have K. Backward after leaving two will be H. K after leaving two backward is H. And see the last one, G is written as C. Backward after leaving three. So E should be written backward after leaving three, which is A. So C, S, H, A. Let's see whether the same way the answer has also been framed, right? C, S, H, A. All right. So I'm sure you would have understood this. All right. So just a second. All right. So the animation has been very clearly explained. All right. So this could be the maximum difficulty in your questions. So we have to find out how the first letter is written. Similarly, our next letter must also be framed. Fine, students. So with this, we are moving on to the next session, that is science. I request Chandrika ma'am to take over. So keep watching our video, students. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Refer about our classes to your friends, your relatives, and your teachers as well, so that they will also get benefited by our classes. Thanks for watching. Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, now we will do some questions in physics. Just a second. So, welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology free coaching classes for NMMS. So, today's topic is synthetic fibers and plastics. Before we start the class, I have a small announcement for you, students. A small announcement for you, students. That is, on 6th, we are conducting an online test. That is this Sunday. ఈ సండే రోజున ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ టైమింగ్ వచ్చేసి 9:30 AM to 12:30 PM. So all the registered students will receive a link on WhatsApp. Those who have not registered, send your school name, send your name, school, village, and mandal and district to WhatsApp 964221152228. సో ఎవరైతే రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే లింక్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఎవరైతే రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే లింక్ అనేది వస్తుంది. రిజిస్టర్ కాని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే మీ పేరు, స్కూల్ నేమ్, విలేజ్, మండల్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ని 9642215228 కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. వాట్సాప్ లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి. సో 6th September రోజున ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది. సో డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ ఛాన్స్. ఈసారి 9:30 AM to 12:30 PM స్ట్రిక్ట్ గా ఈ లోనే ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ మెసేజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 12:30 we will not send any link. ఓకే, సో ముందుగానే అప్లై చేసుకోండి. Now let us move to the questions. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because rayon is different from synthetic fibers because 30 seconds for each question. So the answer is it is obtained from wood pulp. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it is obtained from wood pulp. Let us move to the next question. The small unit in a polymer is called. The small unit in a polymer is called. The small unit in a polymer is called. Answer is monomer. Option A. Let us move to the next question. Rayon mixed with cotton to make. Rayon mixed with cotton to make. Yes, 30 seconds to answer. Make it fast. Rayon mixed with cotton to make. And here is the answer. It is option A, that is bed sheets. Rayon mixed with cotton to make bed sheets. Let us move to the next question. Terylin is a popular. Terylin is a popular. Terylin is a popular. Yes, the answer is polyester. Let us move to the next question. Example for thermoplastics. Example for thermoplastics. Example for thermoplastics. Yes, let us see the answer. It is both A and B, that is polythene and PVC. Polyvinyl chloride. Let us move to the next question. Crossed link arrangement observed in. Crossed link arrangement observed in bakelite, computer cabinet, both A and B, none. Crossed link arrangement observed in. You can also take help of your textbook. Let us see the answer. It is both A and B, that is bakelite and computer cabinet. Let us move to the next question. Universal recycling symbol. Universal recycling symbol. I hope you all are aware of this symbol. Universal recycling symbol. Okay, let us see the answer. It is option C. Option C is the symbol for universal recycling. Let us move to the next question. Rayon is prepared by. Rayon is prepared by. Rayon is prepared by fiber, cellulose, coal, oxygen. Let us see the answer. It is option B, that is cellulose. So rayon is prepared by cellulose. Let us move to the next question. Labels on cloths are used because. Labels on cloths are used because it is required by law to identify fabric content. Both A and B, they do not decompose. Labels on cloths are used because. Yes, let us see the answer. It is both A and B, required by law and also to identify fabric content. We use labels on cloths. Let us move to the next question. The material which is not decomposed by natural process is called non-biodegradable material, biodegradable material, polyester, nylon. The material which is not decomposed by natural process is called. Let us see. It is non-biodegradable material. If it is decomposed by natural process, then it is a biodegradable material. Since our question is a material which is not decomposed by natural process, then it is called as non-biodegradable material. Next question. The symbol it represents. The symbol which you are seeing on the screen, it represents what? PET, HDPE, LDPE, others. ఈ సింబల్ దేని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది కింది ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్ లో. Yes, we will see the answer. It is option C. That is LDPE, which means low density polyethylene. This symbol represents LDPE, which is nothing but low density polyethylene. Let us move to the next question. What is natural fiber among the following? Which is the natural fiber among the following? Rayon, nylon, polyester, silk. Natural fiber. Which is the natural fiber among the following? Let us see the answer. It is option D, that is silk. Silk is natural fiber. Next question. Which of the following clothes should not wear while cooking, welding, working near fire? Which of the following clothes should not wear while cooking, welding, working near fire? ఎటువంటి బట్టలు కుకింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు, వెల్డింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు, ఫైర్ దగ్గర వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు వేసుకోకూడదు? ఎటువంటి మెటీరియల్ ఉన్న బట్టలు? రేయాన్, నైలాన్, అక్రిలిక్, కాటన్. Let us see the answer. It is option B, that is nylon, because they catch fire easily. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following fiber is made from coal, water, and air? Which of the following fiber is made from coal, water, and air? Yes. Let us see the answer. It is option B, that is nylon. Nylon is made from coal, water, and air. Next question. Dash is source material for rayon. Dash is source material for rayon. Let us see the option. It is wood pulp. Wood pulp is the source material for rayon. Let us move to the next question. Dash is generally called fake fur. Dash is generally called fake fur. ఈ కింద ఇచ్చిన మెటీరియల్ లో దేన్ని ఫేక్ ఫర్ అని అంటాం? The option is A, that is acrylic. Acrylic is generally called as fake fur. Next question. Terlin is often mixed with dash to make terracotta. Terlin is often mixed with dash to make terracotta. టెర్లిన్ దేంతో మిక్స్ చేస్తే టెరికాట్ అవుతుంది? వూలా, సిల్క్, కాటన్, నైలాన్? Let us check the answer. It is option C, cotton. When terlin is mixed with cotton, then it can be made terracotta. Soft drink bottles are made up of. Next question. Soft drink bottles are made up of. Soft drink bottles are made up of. Option C is the right answer. That is PET, which is nothing but polyethylene terephthalate. Okay. So soft drink bottles are made up of PET. Next question. The resin identification code for PPEs. Resin identification code for PP. Yes, it is option C. So option C, this is used to identify code for PP. It is a resin identification code for PP. Next question. Dash is considered as the father of present plastic industry. Who is considered as the father of the present plastic industry? Option A, Hermann Standinger. Option B, Leo Henrik Beckland. Option C, Alexander Parts. Option D, Hertz. Who is considered as the father of the present plastic industry? Let us see the answer. It is option B, that is Leo Henrik Beckland. He is considered as the father of the present plastic industry. Next question. The articles shown in the figure are made from. Articles shown in the figure are made from bakelite, melanin, PVC, polyester. The articles shown in the figure are made from bakelite, melanin, PVC, polyester. Let us see the answer. It is option A, that is bakelite. So these are made up of bakelite. Next question. Rock climbers use dash ropes to climb mountains. Rock climbers use dash ropes to climb mountains. Let us see the answer. It is option A, that is nylon. They use nylon ropes to climb mountains. Next question. Synthetic fibers blend with dash fibers. Synthetic fibers blend with dash fibers. Synthetic fibers blend with dash fibers. Synthetic fibers are nothing but man-made fibers. So they blend with natural and artificial fibers. Next question. Which of the following is non-biodegradable? Which of the following is non-biodegradable? Which means which will not decompose by natural process. Natural process లో decompose అవ్వదు. Natural గా decompose అవ్వదు. ఎన్ని రోజులు పెట్టినా అది అలాగే ఉంటుంది. That will not get destroyed or decomposed. Solve అయిపోదు. Peels of fruits and vegetables, waste paper, cotton cloth, plastic bag. The answer is plastic bag. Plastic bag is non-biodegradable, which will not decompose by natural process. Next question. Which of the following is used in luggage, awnings and carpets? Which of the following is used in luggage, awnings and carpets? Rayon, nylon, acrylic, cotton. Which of the following is used in luggage, awnings and carpets? Let us see the answer. It is acrylic. Acrylic is used in luggage, awnings and carpets. Next question. Which of the following thread has more strength? Which of the following thread has more strength? Let us see the answer. It is option D, nothing but nylon. Nylon thread has more strength. Next question. The first commercial production of artificial silk was achieved in dash 1911. The first commercial production of artificial silk was achieved in dash 1911. ఎక్కడ యుఎస్ఏనా కెనడానా ఇటలీయా ఏషియానా? Let us see the answer. It is USA. So the first commercial production of artificial silk was achieved in USA in 1911. Next question. Rayon is mixed with dash in making of carpets. కార్పెట్స్ తయారు చేయడానికి రేయాన్ ని దేంతో మిక్స్ చేస్తారు? కాటన్ తోనా, ఊల్ తోనా, సిల్క్ తోనా, పాలిస్టర్ తోనా? Rayon is mixed with dash in making of carpets. Let us see. It is option B, that is wool. Rayon is mixed with wool in making of carpets. Next question. Any synthetic fiber can be combined with two or more fibers. This is called, any synthetic fiber can be combined with two or more other fibers. This is called, ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ని ఏమంటారు? Mixing, alloying, blending, sandwiching. Let us see the answer. It is blending. So any synthetic fiber which can be combined with two or more other fibers, then it is nothing but blending. The plastics used in manufacturing toys, foams is thermoplastics, thermosetting plastics, bakelite, melanin. The plastics used in manufacturing toys, foams is ఎటువంటి ప్లాస్టిక్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు టాయ్స్ అండ్ కోమ్స్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ లో? థర్మోప్లాస్టిక్స్, థర్మోసెటింగ్ ప్లాస్టిక్స్, బెకలైట్, మెలనిన్? Let us see the answer. It is thermoplastics, option A. Next question. If a fiber smells like burning hair when it is burnt in flame, then it is which fiber? If a fiber smells like burning hair when it is burnt in flame, then it is called as which fiber? మన చుట్టూ కాలినప్పుడు ఎలా వస్తుందో వాసన, అలాంటి స్మెల్ ఒక ఫైబర్ ని కాల్చినప్పుడు వస్తుంది. అది ఏ ఫైబర్? Let us see. It is option A, that is wool. Wool is the answer. Next question. If the yarn melts in a flame, then it is dash fiber. If the yarn melts in a flame, then it is dash fiber. Let us see the answer. It is option B, that is nylon. Next question. Dash is not a natural fiber. Cotton, silk, wool, nylon. Dash is not a natural fiber. It is option D, that is nylon. Cotton, silk, and wool are natural fibers. Nylon is not a natural fiber. Next question. Dash is not synthetic fiber. అంటే మ్యాన్ మేడ్ ఫైబర్ కాదు. ఇట్ ఇస్ a natural fiber. ఇంతకు ముందే చూసాం ఏది natural fiber అని. So dash is not synthetic fiber. Polyester, cotton, nylon, acrylic. So answer is cotton. B. That is option B. Cotton is not a synthetic fiber. It is a natural fiber. Next question. Synthetic fibers are made up of polymers, monomers, both A and B, none of these. Synthetic fibers are made up of let us check the answer. It is option A, that is polymers. Synthetic fibers are made up of polymers. Next question. Dash is a synthetic fiber prepared from coal, water, and air. We have already gone through this question. You can answer within just a second. Dash is a synthetic fiber prepared from coal, water, and air. It is option A, nylon. Nylon is prepared from coal, water, and air. Next question. The first rayon factory in India was established in Dash in 1946. The first rayon factory in India was established in Dash in 1946. Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, MP. Let us see. It is option C, that is Kerala. The first rayon factory in India was established in Kerala in 1946. Dash is used in making parachutes. Rayon, nylon, plastics, none of these. Dash is used in making parachutes. Let us see. It is option B, that is nylon. Nylon is used in making parachutes. Next question. Dash is the only synthetic fiber obtained from plant cellulose. Dash is the only synthetic fiber obtained from plant cellulose. Nylon, plastic, rayon, none. Let us check the answer. It is option C, rayon. So ఇంతకు ముందు ఫస్ట్ లో చదువుకున్నాము rayon is made up of cellulose, made by cellulose. So same question తిప్పడిగారు. Dash is the only synthetic fiber obtained from cellulose, that is rayon. Next question. The combination of two or more fibers is called. Combination of two or more fibers is called. It is option A, blending. Next question. All the winter wear nowadays is made up of synthetic fiber called. All the winter wear nowadays is made up of a synthetic fiber called. Plastic, acrylic, nylon, none. Let us see. It is acrylic, option B. Next one. Acrylic generally called fake fur, good fur, fiberwood, none. Acrylic generally called. It is option A, that is fake fur. Next question. The creator of first man-made plastic is. The creator of first man-made plastic. Alexander Graham Bell, Alexander Parks, Alexander Dumas, Alexander Philip. Let us check. He is Alexander Parks. The creator of first man-made plastic is Alexander Parks. Thermoplastics are invented by. Thermoplastics are invented by Hermann Staudinger, Marconi, J.L. Baird, Einstein. Thermoplastics are invented by. Let us see. He is Hermann Staudinger. Next question. The handles of utensils are made up of. The handles of utensils. We have seen the picture. A telephone, a switchboard, and a cooker. Rice cooker or pressure cooker. So the handles of utensils are made up of. It is option A, that is bakelite. Next question. Dash poor conductors of heat and electricity. Dash are poor conductors of heat and electricity. It can be said easily. It is option D, plastics, and all the others are good conductors of heat and electricity. Gold, silver, and copper are good conductors of electricity. Only the plastic is the poor conductors of heat and electricity, which means it doesn't pass the heat and current through it. The full form of PVC is. The full form of PVC. We have seen this also. I have said the full form. The full form of PVC is. Let us see. It is option A, that is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is the full form of PVC. Next question. The fibers which are obtained from plant and animal source are called. The fibers which are obtained from plant and animal source are called. Artificial fibers, synthetic fibers, natural fibers, none of these. Let us check the answer. It is natural fibers, option C. Which are fibers which are obtained from plant and animal source are called natural fibers. Next question. The fibers which are obtained from petroleum. Artificial fibers, synthetic fibers, natural fibers, man-made fibers. So which fibers are obtained from petroleum? A option మాత్రమే, B option మాత్రమే, C option మాత్రమే లేదా A, B and D. So C అయితే ఛాన్స్ లేదు because we have seen in the before question. Plant and animal source నుంచి వస్తుంది మనకి natural fibers. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమడుగుతున్నాడు? Fibers which are obtained from petroleum. Let us see. It is option 4, that is A, B and D. Artificial, synthetic and man-made fibers are obtained from petroleum. Next question. Rock climber use dash ropes to climb mountains. We have seen this question and the answer is nylon. Next question. Dash helps us to reduce the limitations of both fibers. Dash helps us to reduce the limitations of both fibers. It is blending. Option A, blending. Next question. Dash is wrinkle free. Wool, cotton, polyester, silk. Dash is wrinkle free. Let us see. It is option C, that is polyester. Polyester is wrinkle free. Next question. Dash is often mixed with cotton to make terrycloth and with wool to give terry wool. Terracotta when you mix with cotton. Terry wool when you mix with wool. So the only material is terylene, that is option D. Terylene is often mixed with cotton to make terracotta and with wool to give terry wool. Next question. Choose correct answer. You have to match it and choose the correct option in A, B, C, and D. It is a small matching. Codes are given. You can take 30 seconds time. We shall see. It is option A. That is, code 1 is nothing but PET. Code 2 is nothing but HDPE. Code 3 is nothing but PVC. Right? Code 1 is PET. Code 2 is HDPE. Code 3 is PVC. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Code 4, code 5, code 6. Match it and write the correct option from A, B, C, and D. I'll wait for 30 seconds. You can do it. Choose the correct answer. Okay, let us see. It is option B. That is code 4 is nothing but LDPE. Code 5 is nothing but PP. Code 6 is nothing but PS. Code 4 is LDPE. Code 5 is PP. Code 6 is PS. Next question. Example of thermosetting plastic is. Example of thermosetting plastic. Answer is both A and B. That is bakelite and melamine. Melanin actually. So both bakelite and melanin are these examples of thermosetting plastic. Next question. Example of thermoplastic is. Example of thermoplastic. It is both B and C. That is polyethylene and PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Next question. Food material are biodegradable, non-biodegradable, both, none. సో ఏదైతే డికంపోజ్ అవుతాయో అది బయోడిగ్రేడబుల్, ఏదైతే డికంపోజ్ అవ్వదో న్యాచురల్ గా అది నాన్ బయోడిగ్రేడబుల్. సో ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్ ఇట్ డికంపోజెస్ ఈజీలీ, సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ biodegradable. That is option A. Next question. Plastic is a. We have seen this already. It is non-biodegradable. Option B. It will not decompose naturally. Next question. Artificial silk among this is. Artificial silk among these is. Nylon, acrylic, rayon, terylene. Artificial silk. Let us see. It is option C. That is rayon, which is made from cellulose. So rayon, it is artificial silk. Next one. This fiber is stronger than any other fiber. We have seen this also. This fiber is stronger than any other fiber. It is nylon. Option D. Next question. Kitchenware is made of. Kitchenware is made of nylon, melanin, polyester, bakelite. Sorry, nylon, bakelite, melanin, polyester. We have seen cooking utensils, which are nothing but kitchenware. So the answer is option C, that is melanin. Next one. Electrical switches are made up of. Electrical switches are made up of. We have seen the figure. It is bakelite. Option B. Electrical switches are made up of bakelite. Next one. Polyethylene is combination of dash monomers. One monomer, two monomer, three, many. Polythene is combination of dash monomers. Let us see, it is many monomers, not one or two. It is many monomers, combination of many monomers. Next one. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called. It is option D, that is petroleum. We have seen already. It is option D, that is petroleum. Next question. Like synthetic fiber, plastics also. Monomer, dimmer, trimmer, polymer. Like synthetic fiber, plastics also. They are polymer. Plastics are also polymer. Next question. A silk fiber's smooth surface dash light. Silk fibers smooth surface dash light. Absorbs, reflects, can't say. None of this. Let us check the answer. It is option B, that is reflects. A silk fiber smooth surface reflects the light. Next question. We have seen this. Dash is called fake fur, which is nothing but acrylic. Acrylic is called fake fur. Terylene is mixed with cotton to make terracotta. Right? Remember this. And with wool to make terry wool. With cotton, terylene is mixed with cotton to make terracotta. PET bottles belongs to dash plastic material. Code 1, code 2, code 3, code 4. We have seen this. Codes matching చేసాము ఇంతకు ముందే. Recollect and say the answer. PET bottles belongs to dash plastic material. We'll see the answer. It is code 1. Code 1 plastic material. Next question. Electrical switches are made up of bakelite. Next one. TV cabinets are made up by. TV cabinets are made by. It is melamine. Right? TV cabinets are made by melamine. Next question. Polymers are long chain molecules was demonstrated by Staudinger, Bacquelin, Parks, Baumann. Polymers are long chain molecules was demonstrated by. Let us see. It is by Staudinger. Dash fiber is a strong as steel. Dash fiber is as strong as steel. It is nylon. Option B. Right? So with this, we will end here, and again tomorrow we will be before you with new concepts. Until then, take care and subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And in the ముందు చెప్పినట్టుగా 6th October, that is this Sunday, మనకి మాక్ టెస్ట్ 2 అనేది జరగబడుతుంది. సో దానికి రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోని వాళ్ళు రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఎవరైతే చేసుకోలేదో వాళ్ళు ఈ నంబర్ కి మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఎవరైతే చేసుకోలేదో వాళ్ళు మీ పేరు, మీ స్కూల్ నేమ్, మీ విలేజ్ అండ్ మండల్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ని కూడా 9642215228 నంబర్ కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. అండ్ దిస్ సండే ఎవరైతే రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకుంటారో సాటర్డే లోపు వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే లింక్ అనేది ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకున్నాక ప్లీజ్ సేవ్ అవర్ నంబర్ ఆల్సో. Okay, and the timings are from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Only 3 hours. So, ఈ టైంలో మాత్రమే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ టైంలోనే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. లాస్ట్ టైం లాగా టైం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మేము ఎగ్జామ్ రాయనివ్వము. ఓకే, సో రిజిస్టర్. And those who have not registered, you can type your school name, your name, village, mandal and district to 9642215228. Okay, registration link will be given in the description box. You can click on that and you can get registered to write the mock test. So we will meet again tomorrow with the new concepts. Subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology.